Hello, welcome to the Quick Pallet Maker web application. This is a very short demonstration of how we work with standard pallets, which are basically single product pallets, and how we can use a feature within the application to debug the pallets that we have created. So first we log in, okay, and then we go to the section in which we have the products. We can have the products in boxes, okay. And those products that are in boxes, we have their classes, etc. They can also be used to create standard pallets. Standard pallets are pallets made from only one type of product. So if we have a lot of pallets in the list, it will take a while to load if we want to load them all. Or we can also load them by pallet type. So for this tall pallet, we'll have a group of boxes onto a single product pallets. They're all tall here, for example. So we click on any of them, and then we can see a drawing that will load. We see that we have a tie high of 6 and 7. 6 times 7 is 42 total boxes. We have the code of the boxes, SKU number is 46, and so on. Okay. Now we will use a debugging feature to check if we have duplicate pallets. What does that mean? That means that, for example, we have the box code 25. We have on this tall type of pallet, we have a tie or cases per layer of 8 and a high or total number of layers of 10. So 8 times 10 is 80. But what happens if we have this same product on the same pallet, but we have a different specification? This would cause a problem within our vehicle space optimization software. So we want to debug, we want to check if there are duplicates. So we use this feature, debug, find duplicates. And it'll take some time to find them. It's looking for the duplicates. This part will be sped up in the video. And there it is. Okay, we changed now. Now we see that, for instance, we have an export type of pallet, okay, pallet constraint. We have the box code 24, and we see that there are duplicates. There's one that's 6 times 7, 42, and the other one 8 times 7 is 56. So we have to use one of them. We can't use them both because it will cause a problem. We see, for instance, this one has 42 boxes on the pallet, and this one has 56 boxes on the pallet. So we have to ask the warehouse which one will it be. Same with the rest of the examples. They're ordered so we can check them. So if we see that, for example, this first one is not the one we want to use, we uncheck the default part, okay? And then we go to administration and we delete them, all right? But here we can uncheck the ones that we will not be using. You can see that there are a lot of them. So we have a problem in the database and we have to solve it by unchecking the ones that we don't want. Okay, thank you.